Hey guys, welcome to my another new video. So now look this, here I am. This is one resort, okay. But I don't know what is the name of this resort. But enjoy this place, enjoy this water, enjoy these little huts. Looking small huts having in. But this is now due to Corona, COVID-19. It's closed, okay. Now it's now lockdown happening. This all are lockdown happening. This all are close happening, that's why. And here is look a little bridge or little small bridge happening for going that side. And look, there is a like a island, okay. There is three huts, 1 2 3 happening. And here is what we're doing, what we're not doing, I don't know. Means here is resort. You can come with your boyfriend, girlfriend. Those who have girlfriend, boyfriend, you can come. Couple goals, this is for couples. So nice place. This is not only for couples, this is for family also. And look, this is the water. You can bath with your girlfriend, boyfriend. So crystal clear water happening under looking. So what that one kala seeing because of so crystal clear water na. And inside these are the, and there is two little what called that one toilet happening. You guys can see this is the amazing place. You can also come. This is now summer season, okay. That's why you can come and chill here. And what is this one is like a, oh, this one is for, and small fish also happening here. And this is the way for going here and there. And this is the water crossing, mini water crossing. This one you can guys see, mini water crossing. And this is the place. And that side so jungle happening. And that side you can't go that side because bridge not happening now. And this is the place. You can see this is the best place for chill out in summer season. And when hot coming na, then you can come and chill. And underwater diving happening. You can go from here direct Brahmaputra river also. This place, this is going direct Brahmaputra river. And this coming from, I don't know where coming, but I know this where is going. This is going to Brahmaputra river. And now actually this one is now close, okay. That's why look, I can't go. Here is the gate close happening, but I will go from here. My leg is going and I am going, and I'm inside now. Now look this, you can see guys, this bridge is terror happening, okay. What happening I don't know. It's river flooded happening, that's why terror happen, or what happened, that's why close happening, or what I don't know. If I fall na here, I am going there, my mobile going there, what have to happen next I don't know. But I'm scary happening. You guys are not seeing clearly, okay, I think. But what to do now, my mobile is not so RAM now, my mobile is not clear happening, only 3 GB RAM phone, that's why not clearing happening. But I'm entering now here. Let's see what it's so man, jungle happening now. This lockdown happening now, that's why these are not cleaning now. And this is the best place now. You can sit here and Banchi, you know the fishing rod, you can fishing here. I think so many fish getting here. And somebody net fishing also, look here, somebody are fishing here, look, net happening here. Means here is fishing also happening. You can come and chill, you can fish here and eat here, whatever you can do. And that's all. And there is, I will go here now also. This is so poor condition, tuta puta happening, but I will not go. Otherwise if I fall na down, then what happen I don't know. But this is the place. And here is some little children also happening here. If this one is open na, that's why next time I will come. When this will open, this one I will come here. And this is the best place, okay, for couples. You can come here and chill out, whatever you want to do. Here is a jungle also open, whatever you want to do. Here is house also open. If you want to do some other things, house also open. That's it guys, this is the videos I'm showing you. Now this, I think this voice are gonna butt here. Now I'm going again from this bridge. Now I'm going to back to my home, that side. And I will show what getting, what not getting. You guys stay with me, okay. I will ask them what is this place name. भाई ये ना जगह का नाम क्या है? क्या है, क्या है ये जगह का नाम? What place is this? नालोंग रिजोर्ट बोलते हैं ना. So guys, you hear the name. This is a Nalong Resort. Yeah, I also don't know not this name, and that's why these guys are chilling here. Okay guys, that's it. You can come here. Okay. Okay, bye bye guys. Till then, wait for my another new video. Till then, bye bye, goodbye. That's it, man.